Hello, 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 and welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps channel, family. Welcome back. As you can see here, we are in the at-home store looking for some decor for my master bedroom. Yes, friends, we're still working on the master bedroom. I just wanted to find some storage and some vases to go in the room, which unfortunately, I did not find any that I needed, but I thought I'd still share this footage so that you guys can see what's in the at-home store in the month of January. So this is about January the 24th of 2023. So that way it gives you a little idea of what they're stocking right now at the present moment. And they have a lot of really cute things, and I love to window shop, so I figured you guys would too, and it would just be great to share this footage with you. So sit back and relax and enjoy, and in a couple of minutes I'll come back and we'll get started on our DIY project back at home. And again, welcome to the channel, guys. If you're new, please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you are an old visitor and you have not subscribed yet, sis, bro, what are you waiting for? We want you to be a part of the Wrapped in Scraps family, okay? So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so you will not miss any of the content that I'm going to be putting on this channel. All right, see you in a bit. All right, guys, I want to show you really quickly how our candlesticks came out. Let's see. Here we are in the room. There is one, as you can see. Here is the little candlestick DIY that I just finished. And I still got to put some pictures in those frames. There's the other. What do you think? Let me close it. I know the craft room looks nice and pretty right now, but we're about to tear this thing up, so don't say I didn't warn you. All right, so you guys know I don't waste any time in getting into a DIY. I'm really big on finding things that are thrifted, yard sales, estate sales, anything like that just really tickles my fancy. I love to save my coins because I want to spend them on other things, so I love to try to save my money so I can spend them on other bigger things that I might want to use. You guys, so our Fandelier has arrived. As you can see, it's going to be going here. Honey's going to put that up when he comes home. He doesn't know it yet, but that's what he's going to be doing. Oh Lord, that's a whole bunch of pieces and parts. Lord. Remove that. Sorry it's so dark in here, guys. I just want to see, like, the main piece, you know? Okay, so that's the main piece. So it's all in pieces. So I got to put it together. So here's the third piece. Because that's the part that hangs. Okay. This is the part I wanted to see. Ooh. Look at that. Should I save that for Honey to put together? I wonder. Ooh, then we've got the crystals in here. I think I'm gonna save it for Honey to put together because At least the frame part. We're gonna leave it all packaged. Honey likes stuff like this. Well, he don't, but you guys, I love my honey. As soon as he came in from work, he took off all his motorcycle gear, threw his light on his head, and went right to work installing this chandelier. It was difficult because the pieces they had in there, some of them they could have did better with making to make this job easier, but he got it up. I like it. It changes 3 different colors, giving the room a kind of a different look on each light, like a gold, a silver, and something else. I can't describe it. All right, you guys, so I didn't leave honey out to dry. I did make sure that I put all of the crystals on the chandelier, just in case you were wondering. So, you guys, I found these little beauties at Hobby Lobby for 30% off. So I paid $23 for them each. And I thought they'd be a great asset to the room. So I'm going to be painting them black and gold. So let's jump into that. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps channel. Excuse my crazy hair today. It's just in a bun, as you can see, because we're just painting. We've been painting all day. So we're working on this post here, as you can see. I'm almost done with it. This is the second one. Then we have to go ahead and paint these vases. Now, I've been looking for vases all week that would hold the flower arrangement the way I want it to be held on top of the little pillar here. Once I paint that, I might add some bling, because you guys know how I do. I like to kind of overdo things sometimes, but I'll share it with you guys when I'm all done, and I'll show you what I did. And I'm glad you're here, and I'm hoping that you're having a wonderful day. I'm having a good day because I'm alive, so I consider that a good day. And yeah, we're just gonna finish painting this up. I'll speed it up a little bit so you can see some of the process, and here we go. All right, you guys, so like I stated previously, I got these from the Hobby Lobby store. I also got these vases from the Hearth and Hand at by Magnolia from the Target store by Chip and Joanna Gaines. I love their little show. If you haven't seen that, check that out. They're all over HGTV and everything else. So I painted up everything. I did the gold on the pillars. I did the gold on the vase. I'm really big into finding shapes that I like and then working with it. And I really did like the shape of this vase. So that is the reason I painted them instead of just buying some gold vases. Again, you saw that I went into the at-home store and couldn't find anything that I liked in there. And the thing is, I was trying to find something that wouldn't take away from the other aesthetics in the room. I didn't want the vase to be more standing out more so than the arrangement that I placed in it. So that is the reason why I kind of wanted to go with a plain vase. All right, you guys, so here is the vase here. As you can see, I still need to put flowers in it. Is the other vase, and I'm just kind of playing with it to see how long I want it to hang down in the front and how high up I might want it to go. I think I'm gonna need to get me some floral foam, because I kind of want these branches up here, the tall white ones, to end up way up here. Yep, way up here. I want it to be a very tall vase, very dramatic. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Here's the flowers that I've gathered together thus far, and I'll be getting some more. So I have a vase there, I have a vase there, and yeah, we're gonna be working with that. So that's where we are right now. Now let me show you the things that I bought. I thought it was bigger, you guys. I did, but still really, really cute. I thought it was a regular size when I ordered it. So you guys, these flowers are extremely sentimental to me. I used them in my daughter's wedding, as well as maybe a year and some change later, my granddaughter's baby shower. So they're pretty sentimental. Also picked up these beautiful wine glasses, and I would call them like a cognac glass, or you know, a liquor glass, however you want to look at it. I know there's so many different names and people use them all for different things, but I did that from Home Goods. And then these flowers, again, I picked up from Joann's, Michael's, and Hobby Lobby. I will be utilizing them both, all of them, probably in these 2 vases. And of course, I'll be sharing that with you guys in a future video. Now, for spring,
I'm starting to collect all the things I need for my spring decor. And I'm just trying to keep myself busy. You guys, we're going to have a whole bunch of things going on this platform, on this channel, so please check back. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps, meaning repurpose, recycle, and reuse all parts of your life. Remember to stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life. Remember to please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you, friends, in a future video. I appreciate you and I love you. Bye, guys.